Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're going to give you an update on the Bank of Jamaica spending $1.3 billion to purchase land on Hillcrest Avenue. So after it was announced, we did a video last week stating that Bank of Jamaica was buying property on Hillcrest Avenue. So today we're going to give you an update on the purchase and an explanation from the Bank of Jamaica as to why they spent 1.3 billion on a new location. So we're going to go through the article and then we discuss it after. The Bank of Jamaica recently acquired a property in St. Andrew as part of its strategy to enhance operational resilience and ensure continuity of critical functions in the face of potential disruptions. Purchased for around US 7.9 million, approximately Jamaican 1.25 billion, from Cygnus Real Estate Finance Limited, the new location will be used to relocate certain operations, though it will not offer public services. One of the primary reasons for this move is the BOJ's vulnerability as its current location on the Kingston waterfront. Situated close to the sea, the central bank faces risks from geological activities such as earthquakes, sea level rise, and storm surges, which are increasingly exacerbated by climate change. Bank of Jamaica Governor Richard Biles highlighted that these central banking functions are vital for both business transactions within Jamaica and international operations, stressing that any operational disruption could have far-reaching impacts. Additionally, the BOJ's relocation coincides with its planned expansion in oversight responsibilities following a high-profile fraud case involving Stocks and Securities Limited. The central bank's new mandates include supervising not only traditional deposit-taking institutions like commercial banks, but also non-deposit-taking entities such as securities dealers, insurance companies, and pension funds. This expanded role means a heightened focus on safeguarding financial stability across the entire sector. With the new site, the BOJ aims to bolster its infrastructure against a range of risks while enhancing its ability to regulate and stabilize the broader financial system. By balancing the need for expansion and risk mitigation, the BOJ is taking steps to support Jamaica's financial resilience in an increasingly complex environment. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. So that is the reason why Bank of Jamaica purchased the land on Hillcrest Avenue. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.